Dear audience, it is time to deliver English speech. So I want to call Brother Azizullah from Madhya Pradesh. Please come on the podium and deliver speech.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يثبت الله الذين آمنوا بالقول الثابت في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة وقال تعالى أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا وهم لا يفتنون. Respected director, teacher and guest, today I shall speak about the future of Indian Muslims who are an integral part of this great nation. Dear audience, Islam came to India in the 7th century in the period of second caliph Sayyidina Umar bin Khattab by merchant. May Allah be pleased with him. In later centuries, a large number of indigenous people accepted Islam. Finally, whole of India came under Muslim rule and remained so for centuries. Dear audience, the Muslim rulers promoted education and relieved the countrymen from the curse of ignorance. The Muslim brought about social justice and equality among the different classes. India enjoyed booming prosperity under their rule and championed in trade and prosperity among all nations. Therefore, it was called a golden bug due to its wealth. It is pleasing to recall the struggle of India's freedom for liberation of the country. Our ancestor and ulama fought the British occupation and defended the country. Dear audience, in recent time, Hindutva organizations are using all sorts of pretexts to target Muslims. Sometimes they come up with bizarre claims of Hindu temples being buried underground, historical mosque and monument, and approach court for surveyed invade mosque. At other times, they file police complaints about beef in refrigerator in Muslim household. Right-wing group and section of mainstream media have filled Islamophobia with accusation of jihad, jihad. For example, falsely accuses Muslim men for converting Hindu women by marriage. Dear audience, Muslim properties have been targeted or allegation of their being illegally built. Muslim vendors have been buried by moves from selling products of Hindu areas and killed over beef eating. Harassment of Hindu women and child thief rumor. Police and local authorities have demolished homes of Muslims for activism. Police and local authorities have demolished homes of Muslims for activism. Dear audience, the BJP is creating false notion about the issue of Waqf property. It is trying to create hatred and discord among people against the minority communities. It is unfortunate and unnecessary for country. They say that if Waqf boards keep hands on any of your land, it will be Waqf. On the other hand, Minister told in the Parliament, a lot of Waqf land that has been occupied by people. How is it possible? Make us understand, dear audience, we need to face this with facts. We must try to raise awareness the general public and the Muslim community about the proposed bill. Because in Islamic tradition, a waqf is a charitable or religious donation made by Muslims for the benefit of the community. A vast number of these properties are being used for mosque, madrasa and graveyard. Dear audience, last, I want to say, be Muslim by heart and action. Do not lose your heart in any situation. Do not lose your heart in any situation. भंवर से लड़ो, तुम लहरों से उलझो, भंवर से लड़ो तुंद लहरों से उलझो, कहाँ तक चलोगे किनारे किनारे. This type of situation came in the past. If you are Muslims, you will be tested. Allah says in the Quran, أَحَسِبَ النَّاسُ أَن يُتْرَكُوا أَن يَقُولُوا آمَنَّا وَهُمْ لَا يُفْتَنُونَ. Be healthy. Don't waste your time and energy on Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Twitter, Free Fire, 8-ball pool and Instagram reels. Because health is very important to work and mobile is the thief of time. दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं नाकाम ही तो है, दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं नाकाम ही तो है. लंबी है गम की शाम मगर शाम ही तो है. जो तूफानों में पलते जा रहे हैं वही दुनिया बदलते जा रहे हैं. Establish Islamic institution, especially Islamic school or other institution like Al-Mamba Computer Training Center or Open School. Inshallah, we will establish school for boys and girls in future where they can learn in Islamic environment. Force the government to follow the constitution because equality is among the basic principles of the constitution. Parliament should follow it and make uniform laws for all communities. If government believes that Hindus should manage the affairs of Hindu temples, it let should other religious communities manage their own religious institution. I would like to conclude this speech by saying, Inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim. कि खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, न हो जिसको ख्याल आप अपनी हालत के बदलने का. थैंक यू सो मच. व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन.